What's this?
Well, this is our cabin on Celebrity Ascent. First time on a celebrity ship. Check it out. The bathroom was quite large. It had a sink, shelves, storage underneath, a toilet, and a shower. How convenient. Oh, our little air fresher that we always bring. Nice cruise shirt. Cruise Dorks. First group cruise t-shirt. What a deal they gave us on those. And here are all the charging stations. Plenty. If you don't have enough plugs to charge your stuff, you have too much stuff. And here's a little refrigerator. If I knew how to open it. Yeah, there's stuff already in there. We didn't drink any of that. Since we had the drink package, we don't know if it came with it or not. We didn't want to find out the hard way. And look at all these drawers. Yes, they open and they close. Our little hamper. Check out all this storage. Good Lord, that's a lot. I wonder how many people leave stuff on the top part, because you wouldn't even think it opened if you didn't see somebody open it. But yeah, there's tons of storage. I will say this was my favorite cabin out of all the ships we have been on. There is one downfall, which you'll see here shortly. But yeah, check out oh, look at that view. And here we are, the entire cabin. It is humongous, especially having this veranda set up this way. The walkout balcony that you can shut the window and boom, it's more room to your cabin. What a view. Hello, Fort Lauderdale. But the window goes up very slow. But that's all right. We have patience when we're on vacation. Oh my, the curtain is just as slow, but check out how dark this room gets. Amazing.
At the fourth hole, the par 3.
Pitch black, black as night. And until you turn around, you got the little sides, but that's all right. It's still dark. It's like having an interior cabin on the outside. And now for the downfall of these cabins. These cabin doors are noisy to the patio, the veranda. And the main controls on the wall, you can control the lights, the temperature, and the doors, window. Well, not the patio doors, but the main window and the blinds. And you're supposed to be able to use your phone as well. We don't do that stuff. We don't need to. That's close to the bed right there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to be sailing on Celebrity Beyond July 2026. Exact same ship, different art. I think the bars are something different. Bye.